Hello everyone, our topic for today is all about deductive and inductive reasoning. So deductive and inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is requires one to start with a few general ideas called premises and apply them to a specific situation. Recognize rules, laws, theories, and other widely accepted truths are used to prove that the conclusion is right. Example: all prime numbers are odd. 2 is a prime number. At this portion, you will get, these are premises. So you will get the subject here and the predicate here and combine. Therefore, 2 is an odd number. So that's it's all about deductive reasoning. Another: all muscles are made out of living tissues. All humans have muscles. Then get the subject in the second premise and then get the predicate in the first premise and combine. All humans are made up or made out of living tissue. The drafting major class was designed to draw a plan for a new building. Alex draw plan for new building and Alex is also a student. If Alex is a student and he draw plan for new building, what would be the conclusion? In the portion of Alex, it was written that Alex draw plan for the new building. Drafting major class was assigned to draw plan for the new building. So, ialisin na natin iyon. So, we will cut or we will terminate this part and then this part. And Alex is also a student. Therefore, ang matitira na lang is Alex and the drafting major or major class. Or alisin natin class. Diba? Kasi student siya. So therefore, Alex is a drafting major. Now, let's proceed to inductive reasoning. So, inductive reasoning is more on general. So, paano nagko-conclude ka in general? Uses a set of specific observation to reach out overarching conclusions. It is the opposite of deductive reasoning. So, a few particular premises create a pattern which gives us or way to a broad idea. So the idea is too broad. That is likely true. So for instance, 25 is divisible by 5 and 30 is divisible by 5. Looking to the given, 30 and 25 are both divisible by 5. In general, if we will conclude this, the last two numbers in 25 and 30 are 5 and 0. So we can conclude that those numbers ends in 5 and 0 are divisible by 5. Let's see, both numbers ending in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. So that's how we conclude in inductive reasoning. It is broad, it's general. Another: my neighbor's cat hisses me daily. At the pet store, all cats hiss at me. So, lagi na lang siyang inihissed. Therefore, there might be a conclusion that all cats probably hate me because they hiss him or her. So, for this part, the general conclusion is all cats probably hate me. Okay? Another: in MPC, there are students. MPC is a college name for, let's say, it is a college name. Okay, so there are students who studying welding and fabrication. So Allan most of the time bought steels for his requirement in his class, and Jan always had grinder in his bag. If Allan most of the time brought steels and Jan always had grinder in his bag, what will be the conclusion? So the conclusion might be Both Allan and Jan are studying welding and fabrication. But general. General siya. Kasi, hindi porke nagdadala ng grinder si, ay nag-aaral na nga ba siya ng fabrication or welding. Hindi porke si Allan ay nagdadala ng steel, siya ay nag-aaral na ng welding and fabrication. So, the conclusion is too general. Okay? It is too general. Therefore, it is inductive reasoning. I give you more examples. The chair in the living room is red. So, let's determine this example if they are deductive or inductive reasoning based on their conclusion. The chair in the living room is red. The chair in the dining room is red. The chair in the bedroom is red. Therefore, all the chairs in the house are red. What is your conclusion? What do you think? What type of reasoning will be this example? Correct. So that is inductive reasoning because the conclusions or the conclusion rather is general. Ray is a football player. All the other football players on the high school team weigh more than 170 pounds. Therefore, Ray must weigh more than 170 pounds. So what do you think is this? So this is a deductive reasoning. So Ray might weigh more than 170 pounds because he is a football player. Practically every house in the South Street is falling. Sherry lives on the South Street. So the conclusion, her house is probably falling apart. So what type of reasoning? Correct, that is deductive reasoning. Since all humans are mortal and I am a human, therefore I am a mortal. Correct, so that is a deductive reasoning. Cacti are plants and all plants perform photosynthesis. Therefore, cacti perform photosynthesis. Correct, so that is a deductive reasoning. Correct. Alright, so that's all about deductive and inductive reasoning lesson. With that, thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe, and share this video for more updates. Bye!